everyone. Come on, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Mr. Rajiv Vasant is right here. And Ms. Anupama Chopra. I will be back.
We're so excited.
Yes.
Are you? A little louder, yeah? Lunch khaya ki nahi?
So we're here.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys just
Yeah,
imagine.
yeah. You see, I mean, by the end of it, I don't know what's going to happen. Cycle race.
So, folks, we've seen films about love. We've seen films about friendship. We've seen films about familiar ties. We've seen films about brothers. And we've seen films about sports. But only one Hindi film managed to blend all of these elements into one adrenaline-filled ride. It had the effervescence of youth, the emotion of a full-on family drama, and the excitement of a sports movie, and that nail-biting climax. We all know who's going to win, but it still makes you sweat. It was made 24 years ago, but nothing has come close to replicating it. We're talking, of course, about Jojita Voli Sikandar. So, yes, a quick little flashback. Let's look at the film.
मैंने ले 10 रुपए छोड़े आपने क्या करा आपने चैंपियन वैसे लेना
How old were you when you first watched the film? 2. 6, 7. Okay, yeah. Okay. To start the conversation, without any further ado, we'd like to call on stage the two pillars of Jojita Voli Sikandar, the architects of this dream, director and writer Mansoor Khan and leading man Amir Khan.
Mansoor, let's start with you. So you started writing Jojita even before Kayamat Se Kayamat. In fact, you wanted it to be your first film. So why and how did it end up being the second?
I was not able to write it
Why not?
because I didn't know how to write a subject like this. And also, I was not a real cinema person, you know. So I wasn't fluent with what audiences, what works with audiences, what, you know. I knew what I wanted, and that somehow just didn't seem to fit in the form of a Hindi film. In fact, the film which I was writing then, if you would see that script, it was completely different. There was no father's character. There were two brothers. One was almost like a father. So I was exploring different relationships, you know, quite a wacko zone, actually. So it's a good thing I gave up on that. And my dad told me, look, you can't write your script, so why don't you work on mine? I want to launch Amir. And actually, I had Amir in mind even for Jojita, but I think he was lucky I didn't make that first. And I think Kayamat Se Kayamat gave me a real sense of where I should be going. You know, it gave me a real experience, and that's how I dropped it.
To both of you, there was so much drama on the shoot itself. almost the entire film had to be reshot because you replaced actors midway. Milind Soman was originally meant to play the role that Deepak Tijori ended up playing. There was a different actress who was originally signed for the role that Aisha Julka played. But she couldn't speak Hindi well enough. Aditya Pancholi was meant to play Kulbhushan Kharbanda's role.
No.
Yeah, that's
Let me tell you the story.
okay.
So we finished shooting. The first schedule of Jojita was really difficult. Shooting for I think 60 days in what is the place? Kodaikanal. We shot in Kodaikanal, and we had real trouble with the weather there. It was mostly cloudy. We had to do long hours of waiting. And, the cycling was really tough. So after 60 days of shooting, we completed the schedule, and we all came back. I went on to shoot for something else. I used to do 2 or 3 films at the same time at that time. And I remember I was in Ooty once again when Mansoor called me and said, we have a problem. So I said, what? He said, well, the character of Devika, the girl who was playing it at that time, he said, she's not working for the part. So I said, so? He said, so we'll have to reshoot all her scenes. So I was like, what? That's about half the work that we just did. He said, yeah, I know, it's not her fault, it's my fault as a director. I think I didn't cast properly. And she's really working hard and she's done her best, but it's really not her fault, it's my fault as a director, and I take responsibility, but we have to reshoot those parts. So with a heavy heart, he said, chalo, let's do that. 2 months later, the girl who was playing Aisha Julka at that time, that role, came to Mansoor and said, listen, I can't do the film anymore. I need to go back to Germany. She was from Germany or something originally. So Mansoor barged in, I don't know where I was sitting, and he said, she's gone mad. She wants to leave the film. I said, what? He said, yeah, she wants to leave the film, she don't want to do the film. So that was another 30% of the film gone. So now we left with 20%. So that's where Milind and company came in. They were giving us so much trouble through the shoot, I can't tell you. So I told Mansoor, जब हम 80% करीब हैं, 80% हम शूट कर रहे हैं, इनको भी निकालो यार, हम लोग 100% कर देते हैं. So can't deal with them anymore. So they were out. I mean, Milind is a sweet chap, but it wasn't happening at that time. But so that was the story. We reshot almost all of the 60 days. Yeah, which was really difficult because we had short scenes which are very difficult to recreate scenes.
So I'd like to add, actually, Amir has put it very mildly. Actually, what happened was everything just exploded all at one time, and we came back after a 35-day schedule, or 60-day, yeah. And everything was, and I literally had a nervous breakdown, and I couldn't see the film getting completed. And that's when actually Amir took a call, and what he said is right. He said, well, we just throw them out. For me, it was like, what are you talking about, Because I was feeling guilty that I was wasting all my father's money, and all that stuff. But he took a call, and he said something which I will never forget, which is he said that we are making a film for all times. So it doesn't matter what it takes, we'll do it. So that really gave me the courage and clarity to go through that decision. And we started all over again.
I don't remember saying that.
I'm supposed to remember it.
It is so
It is so prophetic. I mean,
Yeah, so I remember that very clearly. I remember very few things, but this is one of them.
now, Jojita celebrated friendship. It also portrayed the anger, dislike, and the enduring love between brothers. Let's talk about some of the fun and the games and the tears between Sanju and his 2 best friends, also his brother Ratan, and let's also talk to the film's main antagonist, Shekhar Malhotra. So, without any further ado, please give a loud round of applause for Mamit Singh, Aditya Lathia, Devi Bhojani, and Deepak Tijori.
Which one?
देवन बिल्कुल नहीं बदला. दाढ़ी रख ली बाकी कुछ नहीं बोला.
So Mansoor, you said that this character Sanjay Lal was almost autobiographical. Like him, you were irresponsible. You needed to learn about responsibility and the importance of valuing others. Mamik, Devan, and Aditya, we believe that the atmosphere on sets was sort of reflecting of this character. Amir is actually as big a prankster and as irresponsible as Mansoor says he was. Mike, right there.
Just to repeat myself, I completely agree with you.
What was it like?
The process, the
No,
filming,
no, the pranks on the set. And
we learned a lot from Amir. I think this is the wrong time. It's about 25 years later now. So I wonder if I should get back to those days. But he was truly inspirational, Amir, as a professional, a very gracious human being. And it was just a pleasure to have spent time those 2 years, both Mansoor and Amir and Mansoor's family, Nasir Saab, his mom. They were so kind during that process and so encouraging. So for me, it was just a phenomenal experience. I'm not part of the trade anymore. I'm happy that I did one film in life and people still remember me there.
For the rest of you, the memories that you have, David?
Who's this guy?
No, it's been almost 25 years. I mean, we started shooting in 1990, and I still remember the three of us, Amir, myself, and Devan. We used to like go out and picnics, and we used to travel in the same ambassador to go on the set. Amir, me, and Devan. And Amir fell in love with this small little puppy there in Ooty, and he named him Peanuts, and he got him back to Mumbai.
Yeah, I was doing a shot where I was driving, and suddenly I had to brake really sharply because a small puppy came in the middle of the road. And then I stopped and I said, "Here, square." So it was more or less middle of nowhere, I couldn't see anyone around. And so I gave it some food, and then I kind of fell in love with it. So I was like, इसको भी ऐसे छोड़ के कहाँ से जाएगा? Then I said, किसी का तो होगा यार, शायद किसी का होगा, भटक के आ गया होगा. So there was some village nearby or something. There were some villagers whose puppy it was. So finally they lined up, and then I requested them, "Can I keep this puppy?" So they were kind enough to say yes. So then Peanuts was with me throughout the shooting in Ooty, and she used to crap everywhere in the hotel. मतलब she was not toilet trained, so कभी staircase पे, कभी lift में, कमरे में तो Rosie. So my whole shooting was cleaning up after her and going to set. But she was with me all the time. I remember once, you remember we had gone, Girija and the three of us had gone for
jungle.
We had gone into the
We got lost.
trees, yeah, in the jungle. We went for a walk. And after like half an hour, we were like, where are we? Like, the QSQT moment happened. We actually didn't know where we were and we couldn't find our way back. और तू गिर गया था.
I would say that, of course, there are many memories, but about Joji Tawai Sikandar, I would say that it really changed my life. Because after graduation, I was doing theatre, and I was also pursuing my CA, wanted to become a chartered accountant. And I had opened an estate agency, Dev Estate Agency, a small table space in a caterer's office, and struggling really hard to earn money. And then one fine day, I got a call from Mansoorji's office, and I was offered this Joji Tawai Sikandar, and I was supposed to go for 2 months to Ooty. And I asked my dad, and dad said that, then what will happen to your chartered accountancy, and what will happen to the Dev Estate Agency? I said, Dad, actually, I think I should try in this field, and people appreciate me a lot as an actor in theatre. So just give me 2 years of my life. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, I don't. So, and then I joined Joji Tawai Sikandar. Later, I also joined as an assistant director. And then acting and directing became my profession, which continues. बस फिर तब तो CA की किताबें रद्दी वाले को बेच दी और देव एस्टेट एजेंसी का बोर्ड कबाड़ी वाले को.
We've got a message message from someone who couldn't be here, very integral part of this team, the one person who couldn't be here, but you'll discover how crucial he was to the team. Special message just for you all because he feels very bad he couldn't be here. Let's take a look.
आज सब आप लोग यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हो। काश मैं भी बॉम्बे में होता पर मुझे जरूरी काम से मुंबई से बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है, नहीं तो मैं भी आता। इसी बहाने फिर मिलते सब इकट्ठे और पुरानी बातें, और फिर ये मंसूर तुमसे मिले हुए सालों हो गए हैं, तो बीच में और तो लोग फिर भी नजर आ जाते हैं। तो सबको मैं मिस बहुत करूंगा आप सबको, और ऑल द बेस्ट।
And now, let's call in the leading ladies of the film, some of whom had to shake a leg.
You know, I want to say something about Kulji.
Please.
He's such a warm guy. You know?
Yeah.
He just, when he comes on screen, he brings so much empathy and warmth and love. And he's got that quality even in real life. He's an amazing guy. So I'm really missing him. I wish he was here.
Amir, it's amazing you're saying that because in one shot, you know the prank we played on him.
No, I don't. What did I do?
And it's a very serious scene, you know. When he says to 5,000 rupees gaye kaam. And it's Kulji's close up over Amir's shoulder. And
He's shouting at me, you know.
Yeah, he's shouting at him, and Amir had just discovered this little gadget which came from China, God knows where. It said all these dirty lines, you know.
What nonsense?
And you know, stuff like that. He told me kaise hone wala hai. You forgot it?
No, I forgot it completely.
We should pull out the stop, you know.
So when he's saying the line, I press the button.
Yeah, just as before he starts saying the line, you should press that.
No.
Yes, I was there. I remember that.
This is how we wasted some footage already. I remember calling you.
And on that happy note, let us bring in Anjali, Devika, and Kalpana. A big round of applause for Aisha Julka, Pooja Reddy, and Kiran Kaveri.
These girls, the characters that you played, in many ways unusual for Hindi cinema. The camaraderie between Sanjay and Anjali, the fact that she worked in her father's garage shop, she's a whiz with cars. Sanjay calls Devika a gold digger, but she's not a vamp. I mean, she was never a vamp. She's an ambitious girl looking to get ahead. What was Mansoor's brief to each of you on how to play these characters?
Well, I think essentially it was like the Archie comics.
Right.
Because there was Betty, Veronica, and there was dear Amir playing Archie, and then there was Reggie. So it was very much for us like an Archie comic book where no one's actually bad, we're just colorful and we're playful and we're characters. And it was so much fun shooting all of it.
Yes, I don't really remember Mansoor giving too much instructions to me. Because he just said, just be yourself. And I think we were all too young, so at least I felt that I was just being myself and nothing was very calculated or planned from my end. And he's a fantastic director, so whatever instructions he gave me, I performed accordingly. So the credit actually goes to him.
I remember Mansoor telling me, Kiran, you have to play yourself, a sweet girl and a simple village girl, and just be yourself, give it your all. And I think I give it my all. And Mansoor, Amir, and the entire Jogita team have made it absolutely wonderful, comfortable, and splendid for me. Oh, absolutely. Of course, my very first boyfriend, I mean, say so. How can I forget it?
Rajiv, if I may just intervene, इस बेचारे ने इतनी मार खाई है फिल्म में, I will not say a word yet.
But we do have a question for you, Deepak. Deepak, were you ever concerned, were you ever worried when you took this part and then you were replacing another actor, when you took this part that this is going to end your career as a hero, that there probably won't be opportunities to be a leading man if you're going to play the villain opposite Amir Khan?
Yeah, actually, I was a late entrant and I was almost kind of, I heard so many things about Jojita when they were shooting, so I was a little scared to be on set because I've heard about Mamek beating up other guys and a lot of fights happening between people and a lot of people have run away. So when I joined in, of course, I was a little worried and stuff like that. But yeah, it was a great journey, and I thought the only problem that I always had with this whole thing was the 2 races that Mansoor put me through back to back. Once I finished my round with Amir, and this guy is ready. So like everybody's waiting, okay, so now next one. I said, guys, come on, give me a break. It was like back to back we were shooting the races, but it was great fun actually.
Now, one of the things I love most about this film, and I'm sure you'll all agree with me, is Pehla Nasha. I really don't think any song since has captured that rush of a first crush as well as this. Just have a look.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया कि साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया।
Very crucial people who were responsible for that magic that you just saw. One half of the music director duo, Lalit Pandit, and of course the choreographer of that song, Farah Khan.
Music of Jojita to R.T. Burman for approval, and he liked it and approved it.
Well, that's what we had heard, because we don't know what really happened, but Nasir साहब ने I suppose पंचमदा को invite किया था घर पे, और पूरा, क्योंकि पंचमदा ने भी हमको बोला था, पंचमदा was very close to us also, because as children we have sung his songs, including Nasir साहब's यादों की बारात. तो पंचमदा पहचानते थे हम लोगों को स्टेज, एंड ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन ही हर्ड द सॉन्ग. और उन्होंने ये कहा था कि पहला नशा उनको बहुत पसंद है, म्यूजिक में बहुत एक फ्रेशनेस है. तो दिस वाज एन ऑनर टू हियर फ्रॉम हिम.
Farah, you were an assistant director who went on to become the choreographer of the film and of that particular songs initially. But before we talk to you about that, there's a message, there's a memory that someone has shared that involves you. I think you might want to hear this. Let's take a look.
एयरपोर्ट से ला रहे थे, तो ऐसा बहुत दूर से गुलाबी फ्रॉक में एक लड़की बहुत अच्छा नाच रही थी और कुछ पता नहीं किस म्यूजिक सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था, गाड़ी पास पहुंची तो 2-in-1 जो होता है वो लगाया हुआ ऑन गर्ल्स और एक ये लड़की बहुत स्टाइल में डांस कर रही थी, तो मुझे अभी तक याद है पिंक फ्रॉक बड़ी, तो बाद में पता चला कि शी इज फारा खान।
Farah, you made quite the impression.
I wish Kulji had told me this earlier. Yeah.
So Farah, tell us, how did you create this amazing?
I think I don't think Mansoor had a choice. It was either we all waiting in Ooty or Kodaikanal. I think we had reached. Either it was waiting for a week or just catching the first person who sort of knew anything about dance. And I still remember very clearly. He called me to his room and he said, "Listen, we are taking a day off tomorrow, and from day after, you're now choreographing this song." And I think there are certain life-changing moments, you know, that you always remember, and that was one of them. And you know, you read about the book that changed my life and the movie that changed my life. Literally, Jojita is a film that changed my life. So, Mansoor, thank you for, I don't say that enough to you, but thank you for taking, I know it was out of majburi, but thank you for taking it up.
Mansoor, we have Saroj Khan to thank for not turning up.
But I honestly feel about Jojita, which I'd like to share maybe more later. It's a film shaped by destiny. And this was one of those destined moments. But there were many more. Pooja is one of them. I've seen her already before. Aisha was one, but forgotten along the way. Deepak, he didn't remember it. But he was screen tested and I took Milind. You know? So, obviously, this was the pattern of the film. It's nothing to do with.
Mansoor has forgotten I was in charge of casting. There are many actors who have actually tested for this film. And Akshay Kumar tested, and Nagma was already fixed. Akshay Kumar I tested Amir in your garden. In Nasir Saab's garden.
Akshay for which role?
Akshay for Deepak's role, not your role.
Who
rejected him?
I tested
You
him.
rejected him?
No, I didn't reject him. Mansoor rejected him. And then, of course, Nagma was tested for Pooja's role. But then 1 week before the film, her mom, I think, said that she didn't like the line, "You're a gold digger." And she said, literally, I remember this very clearly. And there was another actress, Sheba, who became a heroine, which she was the first girl who came for the screen test with her mother, spot boy, and a kutta. She had a dog in a basket, and Mansoor looked at me and he like,
Even I was part of the screen test. I was rejected earlier, and then I think later on, WhatsApp came from Ooty, and then he asked me to meet him.
So that's what
when he actually first told me WhatsApp, I said, "नहीं WhatsApp कुछ गलती है हुई आपको, मेरे को already reject किया है, आप कुछ और बात कर रहे होंगे." But then नहीं, idiot, you go and meet him. So
Mamik, I tested that.
approved?
Not approved. Approval was all Mansoor's.
You know, the other person I'm really missing is Badru Sabi, because the song which just played, Bella Nasha, so amazing that as a lyric writer, he's stayed relevant for so many years in the industry. I mean, you know, he had written for, I don't know, 50 years, I don't know how long. And to write, at that age, to write a song like Bella Nasha is so amazing. Right?
All the songs, even yaad ke aapse kar.
Yeah. But Bella Nasha, especially, I think,
Yes.
First Love.
So we can't talk about Bella Nasha and not bring it to that red dress and the Marilyn.
And she's wearing it today, and if you want, she will stand on the table.
I'm sure Mansoor will share the secret of that red dress fly moment, because we tried everything in our power to make that dress fly. We tried everything. There was me on the car, there was this huge fan below, and I'm there standing with my hands there waiting. Now it's going to blow, now it's going to blow, now
Pooja,
it's going to
you
blow.
did not put your hands there, and it blew up right over your head. The first day.
One second.
And I remember there was a spot boy who fell down.
How it happened was me standing there waiting and nothing would happen, and I said, Mansoor, it's not blowing, and then it would blow above my face.
You know who knows this firsthand? It's Devin Bhojani, who was the AD who was over there trying to blow that.
Farah ऑफ ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है. So I was trying to adjust fan पे स्पीड बढ़ा दिया और वो ऐसी जगह पे फैन रख दिया नीचे तो पूरा ही पूजा ऐसे थी फेस कवर हो गया बाकी सब कुछ दिख गया.
We still remember you were wearing a red thong.
And the dress is
मैं
kind
कहाँ
of
था यार,
back
वो
for
लोग
some
शॉक ले
reason.
रहे थे, मैं कहाँ था उन्हें.
I can't finish this leave this subject without saying that actually when we stopped shooting that day, I thought we hadn't got the shot. But when I went back and saw this was just a last moment before we gave up, and this just happened by itself, and it just looks perfect.
We didn't have monitors those days, and
Yeah, we didn't have monitors
no
at that
walkies. I remember that cycle race. It was a handkerchief system
Yeah.
from one hill to the other to the cameraman, literally.
There's also that bit, Deepak, when you fainted on set. Tell us about that. Mamik, you both remember that.
Mamik, did you ask him for money?
He loved talking about that.
I might as well do it. So I am a non-actor. I don't know how I landed up in Mansoor's film.